Katika somo letu la leo tunakwenda kujifunza namna ya kutafuta equivalent au kutengeneza formula ya kutafuta equivalent resistance kwenye parallel connection of resistance. What is very important to note that always when the current, when resistance connected in parallel, when you say resistance connected in parallel, something like this, you can have resistor 1, and also you can have resistor 2. So this is resistor 2. Resistor 1 as well as we have resistor 2. So if we are connected in parallel, like this, this is how connected in parallel. So this is R1 and this is R2. Resistor 1 and this is resistor 2. The voltage is the same. Voltage is the same. Always they have voltage, the same voltage. The voltage is the same. So we say V is equal to V1 is equal to V2. But the current is the difference. The current is the difference. So here we have I1 and here we have I2. So when the current is coming this way, it will be divided. Ukiwa umeme unatoka huku unafika hapa kwenye this junction, itagawanyika. It will be divided into I1 and I2. So if that is the case, we can say total current is equal to I1 plus I2. Kwa hiyo ikiwa unataka upate current, lazima uchukue I1 ujumlishe na I2. But we know what we know. We know voltage is equal to what? But current is equal to voltage over resistance. So total current, it will be the equivalent. So total current, it will be total voltage over R equivalent. Kwa hiyo ili nipate total current lazima nipate jumla ya voltage nigawanye kwa jumla ya resistance. But I1 is equal to V1 over R1 and I2 is equal to V2 over R2. So if that is the case, we can substitute now. Tunajaribu kuingizia hizo value, tunaweza kusema kwamba I is equal to V over R equivalent ni sawasawa na I1 ambayo ni V1 over R1 plus I2 which is equal to is equal to V2 over R2. But we know V1, V2 and V all are the same. Voltage ni sawa. If the voltage is the same, now it will be V over R equivalent is equal to V over R1 plus V over R2. So we can factor out. Kwa sababu hapa pana V na hapa pana V tunaitoa nje. So it will be V over R equivalent is equal to V in bracket 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. That is very, very important. Kwa hiyo, you may see here there is V and here there is V. Pana V, so it will cancel out. So if it will cancel out, we are going to have 1 over R equivalent is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Ukishafika hapa manake ni kwamba 1 over R equivalent is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. So we can find the LCM here. So we are going to have 1 over R equivalent is equal to LCM here, it will be R1 R2. Here is equal to R2 plus C. R1 R2 divided by R1 you get R2. So R2 times 1 you get R2. R1 R2 divided by R2 you get R1. R1 times 1 you get R1. So that is very, very important to note. So if that is the case here, kisha fika hapa unaweza ku cross multiplication. You may cross multiplications. Now you are going to have R equivalent in bracket R1 plus R2 is equal to R1 R2 because R1 R2 times 1 you get R1 R2. Kwa hiyo sasa we know R equivalent in bracket R1 plus R2 is equal to R1, R2. We divide by R1 plus R2. We divide by R1 plus R2. Kwa hiyo tukigawanya hapo utaona kwamba R1, R2 zina cancel out. It will cancels. So if that is the case, you are going to have R equivalent now is equal to R1, R2 over R1 plus R2. Kwa hiyo unaona tayari tumeshaweza kuonesha equivalent formula tukiwa kwenye parallel connections ya resistors. Kwa kitu cha msingi ambacho natakiwa kunoti na kuzingatia hapo ni kwamba siku zote ni kwamba resistors zinapokuwa connected in parallel, kama ambavyo tunaona kwenye mchoro wetu hapa, the voltage the same. Voltage ya kwenye R1 na voltage ya kwenye R2 ni sawa na total voltage ambayo inakuwa provided by the source. The total voltage provided by the source. So this voltage provided by the source inakuwa ni the same. Lakini another important condition ni kwamba current ndio inakuwa tofauti. So current ikifika hapa kwenye junction inakuwa divided. Kuna ambayo inakwenda kwenye R1, kuna ambayo inakwenda kwenye R1 na kuna ambayo inakwenda kwenye R2. Ile ambayo inakwenda kwenye R1 tunaita I1 na ile ambayo inakwenda kwenye R2 tunaita I2. So to get total current we take I1 plus I2. So we may find here total current is equal to I1 plus I2. The current passing in resistor 1 plus current passing in resistor 2. But total current, ili upate total current ambayo ina flow hapa, lazima upate total voltage ugawanye kwa total resistance, ambayo total voltage is V na total resistance hapa ni R equivalent resistance. Kwa hiyo ili uweze kupata total current you have to take total voltage over R equivalent. But I1 you may see I1 is equal to voltage 1 V1 divided by R1 plus I2 is equal to V2 divided